Most truck bed liners sold today are flashy but flawed, peeling within months. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud. Ever worry your truck bed liner won't hold up to mud, nails, and hauling? This video breaks down strong, durable options so you pick confidently. Today, I'm going to be going over the best truck bed liner that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Herculiner Truck Bed Liner. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts who want to refresh worn bed surfaces without a full spray job, this aerosol offers quick, budget-friendly protection. Construction workers and weekend warriors alike can appreciate its lightweight and ability to touch up trim or guardrails without messy mixing. For truck owners seeking a fast, practical fix in the field, the aerosol can simplify on-the-go maintenance and patchwork. The spray design yields a textured black finish that adheres to aluminum and steel, delivering rugged protection in a compact 15-ounce can. The package contains a 15-ounce aerosol that covers roughly 6 to 7 square feet, enabling several easy touch-ups per session. Because the can is small and portable, it is ideal for touch-ups on wheel wells, bumpers, or trimmed bed edges. Powered by the original formula, this aerosol protects against scratches, rust, and fading, making it suitable for touch-ups for bed liner cuts. The textured finish improves grip and hides imperfections while resisting wash-off from rain and mud during everyday use. This spray is versatile for exterior trim, bumpers, undercoating, and wheel well applications beyond bed liners. In field testing, users report durable adhesion in moderate heat and resistance to chipping while maintaining texture over time. On spray application, even coverage depends on technique, with multiple light coats delivering stronger tail and smoother finish for even wear. Real-world tests show quick drying times and durable finish under light to moderate outdoor exposure, preserving color and texture across seasons. Compared to traditional spray bed liners, the Herculiner aerosol offers easier touch-ups with less equipment and quicker return to service. The pros include easy touch-ups, strong adhesion for a spray can, and versatile use on trim and wheel wells. The cons include limited overall coverage per can and short-term odor during application. At number 4, we have the Raptor Liner Kit. From the first look, the kit promises rugged durability, flexible protection, and factory-grade results that appeal to serious builders and DIYs alike. The kit arrives with 4 750ml bottles and 1 liter of hardener designed to deliver consistent mixing and professional results. The application process is straightforward, requiring only fill, shake, and shoot with the included spray gun, while rolling or brushing enables textures. The UV-resistant tintable formula ensures lasting color, while the rapid drying enables multiple coats within an hour for a durable finish. Covering approximately 125 square feet, the kit is ideally suited for an 8-foot truck bed, offering generous protection. As a world-leading auto refinisher, Raptor backs this kit with a reputation for durable coatings, strong adhesion, and industry-proven performance. In field testing, the product demonstrated strong abrasion resistance and maintained flexibility under heat and cold cycles, extreme conditions. Beyond protection, the tintable formula allows color matching over time, helping owners align the finish with varied truck aesthetics. Post-application cleanup requires proper ventilation and solvent handling, reflecting the robust chemistry of a 2-component urethane system. The kit claims coverage of up to 125 square feet, sufficient for multiple applications on trucks, trailers, and more. When stacked against a traditional Line-X spray-on liner, the Raptor Liner Kit offers easier application, faster recoats, and comparable durability. The pros include rugged durability from a 2K urethane system, rapid drying for multiple coats, and strong adhesion to OEM primers. The cons include a higher price and a more complex application process relative to simpler spray alternatives for casual DIYers. At number 3, we have the LASFIT Truck Bed Liner. Designed for Ram pickup owners seeking a precise, wrinkle-free bed protection solution that delivers professional-like fit and coverage. The mat uses elastic TPE construction, providing durable resilience while remaining flexible to absorb impacts and recover shape after loading. Measures approximately 6.4 feet in length, equating to 76.8 inches, providing comprehensive coverage for Ram beds. The 3-dimensional real vehicle screening technology ensures exact rib-by-rib compatibility, maximizing coverage and minimizing gaps everywhere. The bed mat ships folded, so expect initial creases, which sunlight and time can ease into a seamless surface. In direct comparison with a generic drop-in bed liner, the LASFIT Truck Bed Liner mat offers tighter fit and broader coverage. The pros include an impeccably precise custom ram fit, exceptionally durable elastic TPE material, and dependable all-weather protection for harsh environments. The cons include not Rambox compatibility, occasional ship increases that may require sun exposure to flatten, and limited model-specific guidance during selection. Maintenance is straightforward since mud or dirt rinse away quickly, while the textured surface hides minor scuffs between cleanings and use. In real-world testing, the mat stayed in place under heavy loads and temperature swings, preserving bed appearance and protection. It is not compatible with the 5-foot 7-inch standard bed or the 8-foot long bed. LASFIT offers 30-day returns, helpful customer support, and a straightforward process if the bed liner does not meet your vehicle's fit. Overall, this LASFIT truck bed liner delivers tailored protection, durable materials, and practical installation for Ram owners seeking long-term protection. We encourage viewers to check fit notes and to contact support with their model year if unsure before purchase. At number 2, we have the LASFIT Truck Bed Liner. Designed for Ford Maverick owners seeking cargo protection, this mat suits both hybrid and gas models. It feels purpose-built with a snug custom fit for Maverick beds, alongside a robust, flexible feel that inspires confidence during loading. The mat's construction emphasizes edge-to-edge coverage with raised perimeters and a textured surface to prevent shifting and protect the bed. Built from 100% TPE, it resists deformation and maintains shape across seasons with remarkable durability. Covering roughly 4.5 feet in length, this mat aligns with Maverick bed contours to deliver edge-to-edge fit. Three-dimensional laser scan contouring ensures a precise fit, while the raised edge design blocks water and debris from entering the bed. The textured surface provides grip for cargo and, combined with drain channels, prevents puddles while promoting fast drying after exposure to rain. All-weather compatibility means pliability in cold and resistance to cracking in heat, while the odorless composition keeps the truck interior smelling neutral. Due to folding in transit, expect temporary creases and follow sunlight or hot water treatment to relax the material before installation. Please note this mat does not fit drop-in bed liners, preserving a precise flush appearance and securing against movement. Maintenance is straightforward with a simple hose rinse and mild soap, as the surface resists staining and cleans quickly. In field tests, the mat stayed in place during loading of gear and kept the Maverick bed free of dents and scratches. Compared to a leading rival in the same class, LASFIT offers easier installation and a softer, more forgiving surface for everyday use. The pros include durable all-weather protection, custom fit for Maverick models, and easy cleanup. The cons include not compatible with drop-in bed liners, increased risk from folding in transit. At number 1, we have the LASFIT 5.7FT. From the outset, this truck bed mat projects rugged practicality for everyday workers, outdoor enthusiasts, and Ram owners seeking reliable cargo protection. Its custom fit covers the 2019 to 2026 Ram 1500 short beds, excluding Rambox models. The mat uses elastic TPE that balances durability with flexibility, resisting deformation while restoring shape after heavy loads and seasonal temp changes. In length, it measures 5 feet 7 inches, delivering precise coverage for the Ram short bed without creating awkward overhangs. The liner guards against dirt, mud, salt, rain, snow, and heat, enabling reliable cargo protection across desert heat and winter road grime. LASFIT notes the bed mat ships folded, so expect creases until sun exposure softens, a common trait with large molded mats. Returns are accepted within 30 days, and support can guide model compatibility if you doubt fitment, ensuring confidence before purchase. Compared with standard drop-in liners, this LASFIT mat provides a superior fit and more complete coverage across the Ram bed. The pros include custom Ram short bed fit, durable elastic TPE construction, and broad all-weather protection. The cons include not compatible with Rambox configurations and potential crease marks from folding during shipping. In field tests, the mat endured hauling wet gear and tools without tearing, while remaining easy to clean with simple rinsing. Sun exposure helps flatten crease lines over days, while occasional repositioning prevents settled ridges and preserves flush bed contact. Advanced 3D real vehicle screening technology maps every contour, delivering maximal coverage along sidewalls and corners. For buyers on a budget seeking long-term protection, the LASFIT offers reliable value with a straightforward 30-day return promise. If you need help choosing model fit or confirming compatibility, our team remains ready to assist through the listing page.